Hi and welcome. My name is Carlos. I'm founder of FasterCourse, and today I'm going to show you a couple of quick tips how to work with FasterCourse Storyline templates. As you know, we have like lots and lots and lots of storyline templates and games available for our subscribers. You can see them all on our website, fastercourse.com. If you scroll down, you will see not only templates, but also games. And you can click any of those thumbnails and you will be able to go through them. There are free demos available for all of those templates on our website. So I'm going to show you just a couple today. So for example, you can click here and there's a flip cards game, and there's a quiz template. So this is just the way our website works. And here's another one, countdown template info. So you can really quickly go through all of our templates, and it's completely free. But of course, if you want to have the source files, you will need to purchase the access to our library. Okay, so far so good. But today I wanted to talk about how to actually modify and update those templates for your needs. So if you're creating a course, of course, you're going to modify the template. You're going to add your own text. You're going to add your own videos or images or any other material. All right. And today I'm going to do a quick show on this one. It's called Countdown Info. So let me launch it in Storyline. So I'm using Storyline 360 for this template, and all of our templates work with Storyline 360. We have a few templates which were built originally in Storyline 2, and they will work with Storyline 2 and 3, and as well Storyline 360, but all of them work with Storyline 360, and that's the program I'm using today. I'm talking about Storyline templates. We also have Captivate and Lectora templates. Those are a little bit different game, so we're not going to talk about them today. Yeah, so Articulate Storyline and Countdown Info template, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that will help you with this and with any other FasterCourse templates, because they really work very similar. Okay, so if we click on them and we see we see lots of pages. We can go through them. We can see there are lots of objects, texts, etc. We can change all of these texts, right? We can modify, add our own text, change videos, change images. Everything can be done because these are templates. Okay. We have been running this product and business for 9 years actually, yeah, but Storyline ones I think for about 7 years. And here are top 3 things that we get asked in support, and I'm gonna try to cover those. How to change logo, right? How to change menu, and then there are some specific objects and people can't locate how to change those colors or text or anything else. All right, so I'm going to quickly go through them. First of all, if you look, you see there's a placeholder logo. It's called Your Logo. I click on it, nothing happens. That's very easy because there's a thing that as this logo is shown on all slides, you see, we put it in the master slide, in the slide master. All right. And if you go to the slide master, and I'm going to quickly go show it again. So you click on view and then you click on slide master, and then you see you have automatically selected layout blank, but you need to go to the main one, main slide master, and there you will be able to change this. Okay, so it's quite easy. Right click, replace picture, picture from file. I have a couple of logos here. I'm going to add FasterCourse logo. It's a little bit small, right? So I'm going to quickly adjust it right? So height is 16 pixels. Let's do maybe 30, maybe even more. Let's put 40, and let's move it a little bit to the upper side, something like that. Okay, and then we have the Slide Master logo here. As you can see, it looks quite nice. It's visible on all pages, and that was quite easy way of changing logo. Okay, second thing is the menu. Let me show you how it looks. So if we look at the demo, menu is here. So we click here and there's a beautiful visual menu, right? We can go to different pages from the menu, and it takes us right where we want us to be taken. All right, so back to Storyline. So how can we access this? Again, you see you can't click it. Can you guess where could it be hidden? I hope you can, because again we go to Slide Master, we go to the main Slide Master, and here we have the object and we have the triggers. And actually, if you look at the triggers, it's show layer menu when the user clicks button menu. All right, and then we see this thing. Sometimes people don't see it, but well, it's not super intuitive, but that's why we make this video. Here you can see a layer called menu, and here we can change all the things, anything we want, right? One more thing, so that was the second thing I wanted to show you. One more thing is that sometimes people can't locate where you can see different stuff. So for example, this one has a nice hover action. So when you hover on top of a button, it changes to green. Okay, and it's a really nice way of building stuff. Again, so let's go back to Storyline. So how can we achieve this? It's again a little hidden gem. We have an object here in the timeline. We see button section number 2, and here is a thing called states. And here we see the states, and on hover it's green. All right, so if we go inside, we click edit states, we go here, we're gonna change it, right? So we're gonna change the shape fill. Let's make it this color. Let's do it. Okay, nice. So we have now changed this hover state here to this color. All right, let's see if it works. Okay, we're gonna need entire project because the menu is in Slide Master, but let's do this. It's gonna take a while, but it's no problem. I'm gonna sip a tea because I'm really into green tea, and yeah, I have my perfect cup of green tea right next to me, which is really great during times like these when there's generating preview. Okay, so we click here on menu, bam, you see the hover has changed, and the tricky part was that we needed to find it in the states. Same thing here. Some objects have states. You see if you have a timeline, but if you click here and states, you see on hover it changes, right? There were some more examples. I think it's here, for example. Yeah, so this one, for example, has 4 states. It has normal, has hover, it has selected. Hover and selected is the same in this case, and it has visited state. So some objects will have these things here in the states. So those were the 3 things that I wanted to show you. One is that logo can be changed in Slide Master, menu can be updated and changed in Slide Master, and some objects have some more objects or colors hidden inside the states. So you need to go to click the object and then edit states, and then you can update them. So basically that's it. Everything else is more or less self-explanatory. You just click and change, and it's like, you know, everything as you would expect. But those are those couple tricks that we use in FasterCourse to make your e-learning production better. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.